What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. I'm gonna try to make this quick because it's very hot outside. I'm freaking sweating already. But today is the day that you guys have all been waiting for. Actually, tomorrow is the day that you guys have all been waiting for. Tomorrow we are finally dropping the new drop for the merch. Finally we're doing another drop. I still get DMs every single day asking when am I gonna make new merch, or am I ever gonna bring back the Beamer Club merch that I made before. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna bring back any of the stuff that I made in the past. I wanted to make it very exclusive. All the merch drops very exclusive, very limited, and if you get one, you get one. So I'm sorry if you guys didn't get anything from the first drop, but this time make sure you guys grab them right when I launch them, because again, they're very limited, they're very exclusive, and once they're gone, they're gone. I'm not gonna make them anymore. So like I said, tomorrow, Friday, August 14th at 12 p.m, I'm dropping all the merch. It's gonna be on my website. I made a whole new website for you guys. Everything's brand new. New website, new merch, new accessories. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be the first link in the description tomorrow. It's shopfindingnick.com. Simple as that, shopfindingnick.com. Yeah, tomorrow, Friday. Now let's show you guys some of the merch. I'm so excited to show you guys. I'm actually nervous because I'm scared. I don't know. I hope you guys like it. I freaking love it so much. And again, I cannot wait till you guys have them and you guys are wearing them and I see you guys at car meets, car events, or just randomly on the street wearing my merch. It's freaking awesome to see that. All the Beamer Club stuff from the first drop sold out within a day or two, and you guys absolutely loved it. So I love the Beamer Club saying. It's freaking awesome. So again, we did another Beamer Club shirt, but this is the first piece. It's a Beamer Club shirt. You guys love that. I freaking love it. This design is so clean and just like, I don't know, more like a streetwear, I guess. We got the 3 photos of the E92. We got the M colors, if you guys remember the M colors on the M3 logo. And then also we got Beamer Club with the make and model, the body style, the engine, the weight, the MPG, which is very bad, the torque, all that good stuff. The front just has this simple Beamer Club in the front. Very clean, such a nice t-shirt to wear, especially because it's summer now. And then we got the tag, which is my favorite part, just to make it a little more official, you know. And then, for those of you that live in a cold area, we got hoodies too. Same exact design. These are the same hoodies from the first drop. If you guys got something from the first drop, you guys know how comfortable these hoodies are, how warm they are, and just how like good quality these freaking hoodies are. I love these hoodies. Everybody talked about them. Such a clean freaking like streetwear style hoodie. But yeah, Beamer Club. I know you guys love that saying. I freaking love it too, because I know a lot of you guys that watch my videos have BMWs as well. I started with the BMW. I have an E46. I had an E36, E92. It's all Beamers, bro. So Beamer Club for sure. And then of course, we couldn't leave the GTR out. So we made the Zilla Club. Like Godzilla, Zilla Club. You guys know everything about GTRs is Godzilla and stuff like that. But again, we got the 3 photos on the back, just like the Beamer Club design. Again, we got the model, the body style, the engine, the weight, the MPG, and the horsepower, which this horsepower is about to change soon. It's not gonna be 545 for long. Oh, and this little cool design. It's like the GTR logo, but an FN, which is kind of cool. I don't know. I think it's pretty sick. And again, in the front, we got the clean Zilla Club design. And just like the Beamer Club design, we came up with a hoodie as well. For those of you that like hoodies. Oh my God, bro. Guys, look how much my dog sheds. That's what you get when you have a husky. This is probably my favorite. They're all my favorite, bro. I can't pick my favorite. But this is sick. I cannot wait till you guys get these. A lot of people have been asking me for GTR merch, and finally we got some GTR stuff. And last but not least, I know you guys are gonna love this one. I only made it in a t-shirt. We did not do a hoodie design in this one. These are very limited, and I know they're gonna sell out. You guys remember the first drop, FindingNick in the front, just a simple logo. We got the old design back, bro. This is the first design from the first drop. The one that you guys love, the ones that sold out, that I have no more left. I have no more black ones of these from the first drop, but now onto a white t-shirt. I think it honestly looks cleaner on a white t-shirt. It looks so freaking sick. The red car stands out so much. Car meets and PCH drives, which is pretty much everything we do in this vlog. Beaches and palm trees. Everything like in California division. I don't know. This is such a clean design. I love it. Again, they're very limited, so make sure you guys grab them as fast as you guys can. I loved it. I'm freaking excited. I cannot wait till you guys get them. I can't wait to see you guys rocking them at car meets and stuff. All right, and we still have a couple more things. Finally, we got some accessories. I've been teasing this on Instagram, but we finally made some jet tags. I've always wanted my own jet tag, and it's freaking awesome. We got the FindingNick logo in the front with the M3 colors. Look at this. Bro, I told you guys, I still want to figure out a way to get this made into an emblem and put it right here. I swear I'll do it. It looks so sick. And then on the back, we got Beamer Club, because again, I know a lot of you guys have Beamers. We got them on my M3 keys. It doesn't have to be on a BMW key. You can still be part of the Beamer Club. I'm gonna put it on my GTR key. And then last but not least, probably my favorite thing from the drop, we got license plate covers. I am so hyped on these. I've always wanted a license plate frame. It says Beamer Club on the top and then the FindingNick logo on the bottom. Something super clean, but very freaking sick. I freaking love it. I can't wait to take some photos with this on the car. It looks sick. But these and these are very limited, guys. I don't think I made enough. I hope I did. I hope you guys can all get some. Make sure you guys grab these as fast as you can. Tomorrow at 12 p.m. Friday. And that is everything that's in the merch drop, guys. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below what you guys think and comment down below what you guys' favorite piece of it. Thank you guys for the love and support. I love you guys. Thank you guys for always showing love, showing support. I really appreciate it, and thank you guys in advance for anybody who cops this drop. Tomorrow, shop FindingNick.com at 12 p.m. I am dropping all the merch. Grab them while you can. They're very exclusive, very limited. And yeah, let's get it. Yeah. Beamer boys. Alright guys, a few hours have passed. We are in the E92. We're about to do an E92 video. A lot of you guys have been asking for an E92 M3 video again. And just like the good old days, we got the GoPro, we got the E92. We're about to make a POV video. I know you guys love these videos, so we're about to make one. They're super fun to make, so let's do it. We got the homie Christian in his 335. This thing recently got a straight pipe, a down pipe, and I think a tune. My 412. That shit is so loud. We got my loud ass E92. So hopefully we both don't run into any cops, I hope. But it should be sick. I haven't been up in the canyons in a long time. Alright guys, we gotta make it all the way up there in those mountains by sunset. I don't think we're gonna make it, but hopefully. The sun goes down in like 30 minutes, so hopefully we make it. Alright guys, we made it. Azusa Canyon. Hopefully we can make it to the top before the sun goes down. Take some pretty cool pictures, but we'll see. I'm nervous, guys. I haven't drove this car in so long. Literally not used to how loud this car is, how this car drives. Like, it's just so different. I've been driving the GTR a lot, and I freaking love the way my car sounds up here. It's so loud. Bro, I'm telling you, I miss this car so much. It's so freaking loud. Oh, that was a cop. Like, I can make my car so quiet. Can't even hear it. STI. It's crazy to see all the cars up here. I just saw a red E36 on the side of the road. I should have stopped to say what's up. See what else we find. Last time I found a McLaren, so we'll see if we find anything cool. Brought the GTR up here, but I definitely want to. If you guys want to see a point of view video in the GTR in the canyons, comment down below and let me know. I think that'd be sick, and it'll probably sound badass up here. body's spitting so many flames. Bro, these roads are so sick. A lot of people actually comment, where do I always go? It's Azusa Canyon. Probably like a 20-minute drive from 412 Motorsport. It's such a fun little cruise. What do you guys think will win in a race? His 335 or my E92 M3? I don't know. This car sounds sick, bro. Who remembers when Sam was drifting all of this? Sam literally drifted every corner up here. It'd be sick to bring the E46 up here and do it. I think his car's faster than mine. I'm not kidding. I don't know who's faster. Bro, imagine how loud our cars are. Look how quiet it is up here. And then our cars are just screaming, dude. Is mine loud?
Loud as fuck.
Did it spit any flames?
Yeah, so many.
It does?
Yeah. But it's not fully tuned yet.
He just bought it, guys. It's like it's pretty much like brand new, huh?
Yeah. And it's 2011 too.
Sheesh.
Except for the fact that I fucked up the bumper. I gotta show that.
Damn, look at those license plate covers though. We're gonna take a couple of photos. I haven't done this in a vlog in a long time, but I'll put some photos on the screen after we're done. Christian's gonna try to do a donuts. I don't know how it's gonna work, but he's never done it before. This will be his first time ever trying to do a donut. I don't know, we'll see. We have a big open area, so I don't think it'll be that hard. Oh! Oh, the turbos sound crazy. That shit smokes a lot, bro. That's crazy. No way. Why? No way. I think the power steering is like super stiff right now for some reason, but better or no? There's nothing? Oh no. Step on it. Yeah, that was a Mustang. He just says the power steering feels like it's out. Like the steering feels super stiff, so hopefully nothing bad happened because we got a long drive back home. Is it good? Is it good? No? Hopefully. Alright, so I don't know what's wrong with the steering. I don't know. It seems like the power steering went out. So we're just gonna cruise it back down, take it chill, and maybe stop back at the shop and see if they can fix it. Alright guys, I'm gonna just head home now. Hopefully Christian's car isn't messed up. He's gonna stop back at the shop right now, see if they can fix it. But I'm heading home, I'm super tired. Again guys, tomorrow, Friday the 14th, we're dropping the merch drop. Make sure you guys grab them. They're very exclusive, very limited. Once they're sold out, they're sold out. So hopefully you guys all get something. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little point of view video and some E92 content. So smash the like button, subscribe to your boy if you are not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see